Amplifier integrator system for aftermarket radios 35 watts or less. Plugs into car harness power and preamp. Plugs into car harness at radio. Included components: wire harness, manual. Top reviews from the United States. Fits perfectly in my 2004 Saturn Ion. It came down to this wiring harness, the 70-2102, and the 70-2002. If you have a base model Ion or a model that did not come with the 6-speaker premium audio system, this is the wiring harness for you. If you have the Red Line edition or had the premium audio system installed when purchased, you will need the 70-2002. For my Ion, I have the Level 2 model that has the door speakers in the front, the 6x9s in the trunk and tweeters in the pillars. The tweeters do not count as speakers for whatever reason. This is why it took a little research to figure out what I needed. I hope this review helps anyone decided which harness they need. Tight and good. This kit fit my 04 Saturn Ion like a glove. I was a bit iffy at first because quite a few people were saying you couldn't put a double-din radio in there, but she fit, and she looks damn good too. I had a JVC Avenue KW50, if I recall correctly. It was a 4.1-inch screen. Anything bigger than that and you're Saul.